Welcome to this overview of BasicFunders user-created lists and our new feature, the pivot view and chart. Let's take a look at this new feature by looking at the list I've already created called Donations, which looks at all donations. As we can see, we've chosen a few additional fields for this list, specifically the donation year, the donation month, and we want to analyze the appeal and the payment method. So these fields have been added to the list. We're going to look at all the donations in the system. So as you can see, we don't have any limitations selected, but we just want to ensure that we have all for the send mail flag so that we include everybody. We can now see that there are two tabs in Preview and Export. There's the Grid View and the Pivot View. The Pivot View allows us to drag and drop the various fields onto the pivot table. There are three places to drop fields onto: data, row, or columns. Let's drag the donation amount to our data element, donation year to our columns, and payment method to our rows. We see that the data accumulates immediately as we drag and drop these fields. Let's see how this data appears when we click on Chart. Both the pivot table and chart can be printed, and the pivot table can be exported to Excel. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial on the new features in user-created list, the pivot table, and chart.